Hey guys, this is Colt with Go Smile, and I've got something real exciting today. These are the Super White Snap Packs, and if you've never tried one of these whitening kits, this is definitely the way to go. I wouldn't use any other whitener because it's just so easy. Once you get it, you'll see inside that everything is labeled day 1 through day 7, and all you have to do is pull out one of the small ampules. Something so small can have such a kick, and it does with Go Smile. This serum right here has been developed so that when you flip it, and then once you snap it, and the oxygen hits it, it starts to mix instantaneously, and then you're able to apply. It's super easy. All you have to do is use it in the morning and use it in the evening. And then after a few days, you can start seeing results. You can start to see the surface stains start to pull off the teeth. Your smile gets brighter and whiter, and it's super easy. You know, for someone that's a busy, I'm a dad myself, and so I'm always on the go getting my daughter ready in the morning. And just to be able to apply right after brushing and be able to apply right before bedtime, before I jump in the shower, it is the easiest way to whiten. And if you haven't tried it yet, you've got to check it out. And don't forget, Go Smile.